bad. It's snowing so hard. I can hardly see myself. And I can hardly see my dogs in front of me. And I sure can hardly see Kim back there. She's like a little blob back in there. It is blowing and snowing. It's like that snow that we used to get in Terrace. Oh my God, I can't. I should have had goggles on. Good thing we're only doing 8 miles. Look at the dogs. They're all covered in snow. They don't mind, but I just think there might be some broken trees later. Anyhow, we only have like, a mile and a half to go, so I'm just covered though in snow. When we left, there was barely any snow, but you can't see the road now. That's our community road.